passes.
Now, what makes them think they're going to get to go down that road? These people are fools. The campers are pulling out.
You got a black part on there.
That's what I said to you.
What's that?
That's where the fire is at. The rest of that white smoke is just... That's where the hot part of the fire is. Looks like it's directly across from there.
It is there until I start up there.
Directly across.
Hey, look at this.
Are you videoing it?
Yeah. We shut the air and then go up there. Almost at the house. You still lived here, you had perfect view. Just missing out.
Video of the smoke.
Huh?
How much you can video of the smoke?
I'll say when we get